1, 2, 3, come on!
Wow, quesadilla. And stay tuned for the actual procedure. Alright. Okay. Quesadillas, try this at home. Hi, this is Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel. Kailangan mo bang magluto ng masarap and quality food pero kapos ka sa oras? A fast and easy cooking tips, guide, ideas, and techniques, plus a new and exciting recipe for all the parents and for all working professionals. Para sa buong pamilya at pwede nyo rin pagkakitaan. Ang ibabahagi ko po sa inyo ngayon ay ang aking recipe ng chicken quesadilla na pwede nyong ihanda sa inyong pamilya at pwede nyo rin pagkakitaan. Welcome to Kuya PANDISOY Kitchen, and here are the ingredients for the chicken quesadilla. First, we need sliced chicken breast. Kailangan rin natin ng garlic or bawang. And we need onion or sibuyas. We need salt or asin. I also added ground black pepper. And I need also sliced lemon. Iyon ang mga sangkap na aking gagamitin para sa pag-marinate ng ating chicken. To add more spice and yumminess sa ating quesadilla, I need also sliced tomatoes. And I also added sliced green bell pepper. At ang isa sa pinaka-importanting ingredient ay ang ating grated cheese. Para naman ipahid natin sa ating tortilla, kailangan natin ng olive oil. At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, ang ating tortilla or ang ating wrap. At para mas mabilis mapakrispy ninyo ang inyong tortilla, make sure na both sides ay dry. And we need butter. Alright, we're ready to go. Okay, we just add on our chicken. And just put in salt. Ground pepper. Garlic. Onion. Mix it together. And then squeeze in the lemon. And leave it there for a few minutes. Okay, slowly add on the butter. Let it melt. Low medium heat fire. And then add on the marinated chicken. Ayan, luto na po na ating chicken and handa na po nating i-assemble ang ating chicken quesadilla. Just spread the tortilla with the olive oil like that. Just small amount of oil, olive oil. Spread it. like that. Then flip it because that will be on this side. Okay, then just put on cheese. Okay, add on cheese, and then the chicken. Then the vegetable, any vegetable that you like. Me, I like red bell pepper and just the tomato. And then after that, you just need to put in also cheese on top. Okay, done. And then just fold like that. Right, just fold like that, and then just leave it there, ready for frying. Okay. Okay, in a very clean pan and low fire. Okay, hayaan lang po natin maluto ang other side. And then later on, if you flip through natin para na po on the other side. So hayaan lang po natin ma-melt yung cheese on that side. And then para dumikit po doon sa ating tortilla. Para naman doon sa mga nagda-diet or mga health conscious, you could always choose a whole meal tortilla. So ayan, pwedeng-pwede nyo po ito gamitin pag nagda-diet po kayo. Alright. At para naman dun sa mga sliced vegetables na dinagdag natin sa ating meat na chicken, you could always add on like sweet corn, or you can also add on sibuyas on it, or anything that you like. Or you could put also lettuce if you like. Kailangan na po nating baliktarin. You just need to slide in flat lado. Okay? Just easy as that. And wow, look at that. Yan, very crispy po yung side na yan. Right. Okay, we just leave it na ma-melt yung cheese on the other side and ma-crispy po on the other side. You just keep on pressing with your flat lado. Just make sure na huwag nyo po lagyan ng too much olive oil or any oil ang inyong pan or ang inyong tortilla para po ma-crispy kaagad ang inyong quesadilla. Okay, looks good ang ating quesadilla. Later on, before you serve, kailangan nyo lang palamigin ng konti, and then you just cut this into 3 triangles. Okay, ayan, luto na ang ating quesadilla. And look at this. So yummy. Yeah. Quesadillas. Try this at home. Quesadillas. Love ya. The best in the world. Again, this is Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you are new to my channel, please support me by subscribing my channel. Just click subscribe, and please do not forget to hit the bell button for more updates on upcoming videos. And see you in my next video. This is your Kuya PANDISOY, and always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka.
in the world ka, Kuya Pandisoy!